long hairs in here tonight. What's the problem?
It's gotta be.
Yeah. This is 1980. Can't you afford a fucking haircut? All you assholes standing back there sucking that overpriced shit, come up here closer. They wouldn't let us play here tonight, they thought. On account of we didn't play here for a long time, and they said last time we played here there was a riot. So you're not going to disappoint us, are you? You see no emotion up here. This ain't no fucking country club. You all probably going to spend the weekend in Frisco, weren't you? I know you were. So I'm going to go away for the weekend while they install the hot tub, aren't you? Yeah, next time don't bite so hard when I come, okay? Fuck. You only spit as good as you suck, shit. Eat my fuck, asshole.
Eat my fuck, man.
You.